Hey everyone, welcome back to Biospeaks, the channel where biology comes to life. I'm Anthony Samuel, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of microorganisms. So, let's explore whether these tiny creatures are our friends or foes. First things first, what exactly are microorganisms? Well, as the name suggests, microorganisms are tiny living organisms that can only be seen under a microscope. Some examples of microorganisms include bacteria, fungi, viruses, protozoa, and algae. Although they're super small, they have a huge impact on our world. Now, where can we find these tiny creatures? Microorganisms live in extreme environments, from boiling hot springs to freezing Arctic waters. They're also closer to us than we think. In fact, our bodies are home to millions of bacteria, especially in our gut, helping us digest food. So, are microorganisms good or bad? Well, let's break it down. Many microorganisms are actually helpful. Gut bacteria, for instance, play a big role in digestion. Without them, our stomachs wouldn't be as efficient. And did you know that microorganisms like bacteria and fungi decompose waste? They help break down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Let's talk about one of the tastiest examples of good bacteria like Lactobacillus help turn milk into yogurt. This not only makes it tastier, but also easier to digest and healthier for us. But not all microorganisms are friendly. Some of them can be pretty dangerous. Certain bacteria, like Salmonella, can cause food poisoning, while viruses like the flu make us sick. And ever seen mold on your bread or fruit? That's microorganisms in action, spoiling your food. But wait, can microorganisms be both good and bad? The answer is yes. Take E. coli, for example. Some strains of E. coli live in our intestines and help with digestion, but other strains can cause severe food poisoning. So, how do we protect ourselves from the harmful microorganisms? Simple things like washing our hands regularly and storing food properly can keep harmful microorganisms at bay. And of course, vaccines protect us from dangerous viruses. That's all for today's episode on microorganisms. Some are helpful, others not so much, but either way, they play a crucial role in our lives. Thanks for watching Biospeaks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome biology content. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.